This scooter's already been equipped with the 194 LED bulb that we have and for the city beam, and it's also got the GTS Turnkit that we show in another video on how to install that. And a lot of people have asked for LED kit for the rear, so we've come out with a new product, the GTS Turn-RR-LED, and it's the rear turnkit LEDs. So it converts your incandescent bulbs in the rear turn signals to LED, and it includes the correct ballast resistor so the flash rate's correct. And this bike already has the switchback bulbs in there, so they switch off and go back to white running lights when they're off. The rear ones, they're just amber only, and we'll show how to install these. The parts that are included with the GTS-RR-LED kit is 2 LED bulbs, and they're the special type with an offset pin, and we've sourced high quality LED bulbs, 2 zip ties, and the 2 polarity reversing resistor packs that allow the turn signals to flash at the correct rate, and it's completely plug and play, real easy to install. All you need is a number 2 screwdriver to install. Kit's really easy to install. Install it in the rear. You want to remove the lens. 1 Phillips screw. Here's a number 2 screwdriver to remove that screw. You lift the lens out. And behind here is a rubber boot that you want to pull away. And the socket, which is a bayonet style socket. So just go ahead and turn it about 1/8 of a turn, and you'll be able to remove the socket, get access to the bulb. There's the standard incandescent bulb that's included with the Vespas. So turn the bulb slightly counterclockwise to remove it. And the new bulbs, these are the LED bulbs, they have an offset pin just like the original. So you need to make sure the offset pins line up with the 2 slots in the socket. Go ahead and thread that in. And the problem with these is the polarity is not correct. So if you try to use the turn signals, it's not going to work until we install the special harness that's included with our kit. So to remove the connector, you can use your screwdriver and press the little tab here. That releases the connector. We'll set the bulb aside. Carefully pull this rubber boot past the connector. Don't want to tear the wires. If it's real difficult, you may want to spray some type of lubricant in there to remove it. Take the new connector. There's a male and a female connector on here. Press that right through. This will go into the socket. It will press right through that small hole. May take a little effort. Go ahead and plug the turn signal bulb back in. You'll hear a positive click. Reinstall the socket in reverse order. Put the boot back on. And this female connector will connect to the existing wiring harness here. And once you get this installed, you're going to have a little bit of extra slack. From the underside of the scooter, right from under here, you want to take this pack and use the included zip tie to secure this resistor to the wiring that's actually underneath here, so you won't have part of the new wiring hanging low here. Go ahead and reinstall the signal in the reverse order. And with the harness in there, the turn signals will now work. And now you have kind of the real bright yellow LED turn signals in the rear. And oftentimes people will use this with the GTS Turnkit up front, which includes white running lights up front. It's also possible to use this kit in the front on a GTS 250 or 300. And you won't have the running light feature, but you'll have the LED yellow turn signals up front. And repeat the same with the turn signal on the other side.